to replace the fuel pump out this 04 Maxima. It's the same thing as the 03 Maxima, the 08 Maxima, the Altimas. They're all the same shit. So I'm sure how to do this one in the 04. Easy, man. It's under the seat, man. All them under the seat. 03, 04, 08, all them under the seat. Let's do it. Alright, tools you will need. You're gonna need a chisel or flathead or whatever, a hammer, or you could use this flathead if you want, because it has this. This is from Harbor Freight. And needle nose, pliers, whatever you choose. You'll see why. There's they call the thing you pull on under the seat. It's under the seat. That's right. Over here. You see this? You pull on this and pull on the seat. Pull upwards like that. You see that? So you pull this like this. Pull it out and you pull the seat up. Same thing on the other side. Other side. Make sure you don't. Okay. Alright, see that? It should stick out like that. You see that? Put your thumb, pull it out, and push up. Okay, now let's take this lower seat out. That. Alright, put it somewhere safe. I'm gonna put this on the roof. You got these 4 things that you gotta twist to pull the cover. To pull the cover off this, just twist these off. Not off, but you know, align with the gap, with a hole right here. You see that hole right there? Okay, right here. See that? You gotta align it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. See? You go like this, turn it until it's just like that one, so you can pull it up. Okay, same thing with this one. Okay, it's locking it. I'm bugging. Twist it this way, just like that. Same thing with this one, just like this. Boom. Last one, just like that. Wow. Now you put it up. Pull it up, just like that. Don't pull it OD, because you gotta disconnect the connector that's on the pump. Just like this one. This one's right here. This is the one. Okay. Yes. Alright, now put it to the side. Okay, so some people, when they do this, they pull out the fuse that's under the dash, the fuel pump fuse, and start the car until it can't start. For the pressure cannot be in here. When you pull it out, a lot of gas will come out. So if you want, you can do that. I'm just gonna pull it out, get a rag, pull it out, and it should be alright. Okay. You should have some gloves on, because it's gonna stink. Open the door so you don't suffocate. Okay? Or windows, whatever. Now you're gonna push on this, or squeeze this, and pull it back. It might squirt, so put this rag under it while you squeeze it. Okay, you're gonna squeeze it and wiggle it. Sometimes you need 2 hands to pull it back, but take it off. See, just like that. See, not that much gas came out, so good. Put a rag on that one just to stop leaking. Sometimes you could leave it here, but it's gonna be in the way, so just leave it like that, like that. Okay. Okay, put it like that. Now let's do this one. Same thing with this one. Squeeze and pull back. Okay, so you have both out. You gotta start smelling like gas. Let's put this to the side. Nothing came out of here, so we just tuck it in there somewhere so it's not in the way. Okay, now you're gonna need a flathead or a chisel so you can bang this that way. You see what I'm talking about? Bang it that way so it can come out of here. So Alright? Okay. I got a chisel and a mallet, hammer, whatever you want to call it. So you're gonna bang here. Bang it until this is completely off. Alright? Okay, so when you do that, it should be like this, you see? This out, come off. I'll take this off and put it in here. So it's easier when you try to put it back on, it just clips on there. So use a flathead, take this out, right out, and put it in there. You can do that right now. You see, just like that. Just take it, put it on there. Now, let's try to now let's take out the fuel pump. Okay, let's get these out the way so you have room. Take it out. Take off this metal piece first. Like that. Now, all you gotta do is lift it up, put in the angle, and take it out. Let's do that right now. Lift it up. Ooh. Okay, see, this gasket is very important. Do not lose it. When you get a new fuel pump, they should give you a new one. Gasket. Okay, now, ooh, this thing. Let's pull up. Man, that gas is dirty. Looks like they were using regular. Okay. Pull up, like so. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Been long find these demons. Nigga just catch me and need me. Double cup, now I'm leaning. I gave her pipe, now she feeding. I grabbed my keys, now I'm leading. Yeah, I'm leaning. Nigga, I'ma find these demons.
Okay, so I had to use 2 hands to pull this shit out. So that's the difficult part, man. Okay, soon you have to wiggle it. We keep wiggling it, wiggle until it pops out. And watch out for the fuel level sensor that's right here. Don't fuck that shit up, man. And this gas is in here, so it's poured. See, I spilled some over here. Look, that's car gonna stink now. Okay, pour as much as you can out until you take it out like this.
Now I'm leaning. I gave her pipe, now she feeding. I grabbed my keys, now I'm leading. Yeah, I'm leaning. Nigga, I'ma find these demons. Catch me splurging demons. Double cup.
Okay, once you're done doing whatever you're doing, new fuel pump, new assembly, put it back the same way you took it out. Make sure these are out your way. If there's gas, make sure you wipe it. With a rag and wipe it down. Wipe it. I'm gonna jump this car, so I don't really have to wipe it, but you gotta wipe it to bring it back. If you're doing a part out, this don't really matter to you. So let's put that shit back in there. Soon you clean this up a little. Make sure you're not smoking while doing this. There's some mechanics that smoke and do this shit. I don't know how they do that, but put this somewhere so it don't come out. Okay, don't forget the gasket. If they gave you a new one, put the gasket here. You don't want to forget this, man. Okay, now let's put it back in there. Try to put it back in there while this thing is there. Like this, like this. So, fuel level sensor first. Put it in there. That. Now, take it away. Now, let's try to put it in there like this. Look at that, it's easier to go in than coming out. Some crazy shit. Okay, put that in. See, this thing be in the way. That's why this shit's difficult to come out. Well, whatever. Put the shit in. Now, let's put it in there. Let's go flush in there. So you can squeeze down and put the this top piece on there. Okay. Now, make sure these out the way. Put it on top. On top of here. Oh, see the gasket? Don't let that shit hang. Make sure it's aligned. That shit came off. Now, make sure this thing's good. Take this out of the way. Okay. So you squeeze down. You see how it's down? Squeeze down. Try to put the cap on there. Not the cap, you know what I mean. This thing. Put this on top. So this, boom. Now we're gonna hit this thing this way so it's tightened. Let's put that like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna hit it with the hammer to tighten it up. Make sure you're banging it this way. You go like this. You're going this way. Tighten this way. All right. Be right back. Okay, just like this. See that? All the way towards the end. Okay, so we do that. Let's connect these hoses, these lines. Make sure you hear a click noise. Shit. Okay, now it's like this. Look. Pop. Okay. Let's take the cap. Okay, cap. Put the connector in first. Connector. Put it in. Okay, that's on. Now, let's put the cap back on there. Align it. Just like that. Okay. Squeeze down, make sure it's tight. Boom. Now take your needle nose, flathead, pliers or whatever you have to twist these things. Back this way, opposite way. Squeeze it. This one. Same thing, boom. This one. Boom. Last one. Just like that. Now, let's put the seat back on. Okay, when you put in your seat, make sure your seat belts are on here. Well, out. Sticking out. Same thing with this side. There's two are supposed to be here. Some people be forgetting and put one up and there's two. So take out one and two. Okay, as soon as you do that, you're gonna tuck it in, tuck it under as far as you can until you align it with this at the bottom right here. So tuck it in as far as you can, and it should go right down both sides. Okay, see that? All you gotta do is push down. There you go. Same thing with this side. Right here. This was a little OD out, so pull it in or push it in. Okay, see that? Go down. Just like that. Done deal. Okay, once you're done, try to start it. If you took out the fuse, make sure you put the fuse back before you start it. And it should take some time to start, then it will start. You know what I'm saying? So, if I helped you out, really know, man. Give me a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe.